Hello beautiful people, so this week is an amazing week for me. It's the week that I've been waiting for so long. It's nothing out of the ordinary, new week, new video. Webbing, and I'm going to be using some plastic buckles and hopefully it will turn out really well. Now what I'm doing here is I am burning the ends. If you're a miner, please use assistance and be very careful when you work with fire. And the reason I'm doing this is so that it doesn't de-thread the webbing, which is very important. If not, it's not going to last a long time. So this is one part of the buckle. As you can see, this section is going to be attached to the cushion. So that's the end and it's going to be attached to the cushion. Just making sure that I'll go back and forward, make sure you stitch it. This is one section of the buckle and that's at the teeth. Now that's very important. The first step is we're going to put some webbing in there. You're going to go around in a loop. And then you're going to mark it down. And now I am going to sew it, going back and forward, making sure that it's going to be stitched properly and nicely and it's going to be durable. After that's done, it's the second part of the buckle. So now we're going to insert the webbing through that space. And now we're going to make a loop again, just like that. I'm pulling some webbing so there's enough space, and then I'm happy with that length. And now we're going to put that webbing into the little hole in there, and then we're going to pass it through. And that's what this is going to make. It's going to make it adjustable, which is amazing. And then now you should have a fully functional adjustable buckle, and the end is going to be attached to the cushion. And now you can see that it works fine. It can be adjustable and the both ends will be sewn into the fabric of the cushion.